This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Connie Kim. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Say hello to this beautiful well-maintained 2-bed/2-bath condo located in the highly desirable Lake Frederica community. With an open floor plan, the home features lovely ceramic tile throughout, no carpet, solid surface countertops, and a serene enclosed patio with storage. Master bedroom includes own spacious walk-in closet. The condo comes with a reserved parking spot with plenty of additional guest parking available. Enjoy the community amenities including the fitness center, tennis courts, resort-style pool, and lusciously landscaped walking paths. Great central location, only minutes away from major highways, Orlando International Airport, Lake Nona Medical City, shopping, entertainment and downtown Orlando. For more information, review the details below.